Hi there and welcome to my first Java tutorial. This is an introduction to the Java software itself, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how the software works, its controls, how to create first project and to write first program. So let us start and I will describe everything you see here for you. Basically this is the package explorer. All your projects, basically programs, will be contained in here. As you can see, I have a couple of them already. And this is a console where you will output your messages or calculations, and whatever you want to output, it will be in here when we program on the console, of course. If we program on the Windows environment, we will simply output in the window. So you will see a window with some kind of controls, but that will come later on in future tutorials. So don't worry about this now. We will use this console for now. And those are buttons, controls, which you can use for ease of navigating, for example. This one is creating new projects, also classes. And this one is for save all your projects, or basically save all your classes. Print, so you will need this one. This is debug button. You can debug your programs. And this one is run, which when you run it, it will probably as well debug first, then it will display the content of the program. This is a new class, new package, sorry. You create new package. I don't usually create packages for my programs, as they're optional basically. So it's up to you if you want to create a package and then use it, or you can just simply omit this and don't use packages at all, and programs will still work perfectly fine. And this is a class we will use, and it will create a new class. We will use this one for our programs, and some other controls we will not use, basically those for debugging and stuff like this. Okay, so to create your first project, you have to go to File, for example, New Java Project, or you can say from this icon, you can click it and say Java Project, which is New Java Project. Write the name of the project, this program, for example, and then click Next. You have this. You don't have to worry about this for now. There's nothing you have to change here or add. You just click Finish and you have your project created. You will see your projects, as I said, in Project Explorer. So simply open it with this little click of the button and click on the SRC folder, which is source. You can add a package if you want, but I will not do this. As I said, it's optional, so it's up to you. You can click the package and write the name of the package and create it, or you can simply go New and Class, and we will use Class. Okay, so this is the class window. We can choose the package if we created one. If not, it will be the default package, so you don't have to worry about this if you don't have your package. Then you have to select the name for your class, like first program. You don't have to change this controls over here, and we will select public mode most of the time, and default is not needed here, and private protected is something else. Abstract, not useful for now, and final as well. So this you will learn in the future, so don't worry about this, don't change anything. On the other hand, here you can add, and you can select this to create a public static void main with string argument, and it's better to create this so it will always be there for you. And then click Finish, and you will have your public class and your main. You don't need those are happy. You can delete those, just that's it. And if you have a package, the package will be here. So your package will be here, and all of those libraries you will include later on will also be here somewhere. So basically this is your first program. Now to create something, you have to write some kind of code in your main. This is your main function in here, And I will show you the simple program as you will learn in each and every programming language at the beginning. Just simple statement hello world. So system.out.print or print line like this, and in the brackets with this quotation marks, and you add your word. And you always end your statements with semicolon. So that's the statement of the print statement. The print statement will print the line. If you print like this, it's also valid. It will only print a line, but it will not space it. It will not like hit the enter return key. So if you create another one below here, for example, you will see that will print next to this statement. So if I run this now, you will see twice hello world without a space or without return. But if I write new line, print line, sorry, and then it will like press a return key and then print it in the next line. So that's how it works with the print line and print. Simple. Yeah, that's pretty much about this program, about the controls and stuff. This is simple output statement. You'll see more of those in the future tutorials, as well as what are variables, arrays, if statements and such. So pretty interesting. This is the end of this tutorial. Visit my webpage and YouTube channel for more tutorials, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.